All right, so I think I got a pretty easy one here for you today. We're gonna put on a toilet bowl seat. All right, so here are the screws that come with the toilet bowl seat. They could look a little confusing, but they're really not too bad. So here's a little rubber piece that's gonna go underneath the toilet bowl seat. They literally just kind of snap in place with the 4 snaps right there, and just make sure obviously you do that on the on the other side as well. And then once we get moving here, you're gonna see me fumble the screw. Butterfingers over here. And but this is what the screw looks like. It looks like it kind of confusing, but for the most part, it's really not too bad. So I'm gonna kind of break it down for you a little bit here. So you essentially just want to unscrew it, and it comes in a couple pieces. Just make sure you try to keep everything together. But essentially, it's just like any normal screw. You got your plastic washer there, Butterfingers again. You got your plastic washer there, and it's just gonna screw right underneath the toilet, just like that. So I'm gonna show you how you just want to set it right on the toilet bowl seat, just like so. And then we're gonna take your washer like you normally would with anything else, and then it's gonna screw right in underneath. Again, they come apart. Just make sure you keep that piece together when you go to put it on there. But essentially you just screw it underneath like so. So that's what it's going to look like. I don't have that actually on the where it should be sitting. I just wanted to show you for demonstration purposes and what it'll look like. Again, then you'll hand tighten it. So when you do go to essentially close that and open that, you just kind of pinch the corners there, and it opens up just like so. Same thing with obviously the other side. So once you set that in there, you essentially just want to hand tighten it like so. Just try to get it as snug as possible. You don't really want to over tighten it. You may snap them. Keep in mind they're plastic pieces. And just do the same thing on the other side, and make sure that the toilet is secured in place. And that is pretty much it. So thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe for more videos.